Hey all, just a quick tip here. So you've tried restoring your iPhone. This is an iPhone X. You've tried restoring your iPhone and it just won't work. You've tried a new cable, still doesn't work. I tried multiple computers on mine and still couldn't get it to go. You tried doing the buttons with DFU mode, on and on. And I was getting so frustrated that I could not restore my phone. It was just giving me a bunch of errors. And I want to show you what the problem was for my phone. This right here. See that little speck? That came out of the charging port, and I scraped it a little bit with this. Out it came. And right away, it worked. Keep in mind that on these tips here, some of these connectors are for power, so you might get power and or audio and go, well, it's fine. But a couple of these carry data. So clean it out, try a new cable, try again, and maybe that'll work for you. Good luck.